Welcome to my knowledge. In today's video we will create a 3D table in AutoCAD just like this, and then we'll render it. As you see, it has wooden stock and glass on it. So let's begin. First of all, we will make one leg of the table. For that I will draw a horizontal line of around 20 units. Then I will move vertically upward up to 50 units. Then again 20 units. Then I will move down to 5 units. Then 15 units. Then I will move to 30 units. We'll add up some more. Now we'll move again up to 15 units and join the ends. And all the dimensions are drawn on assumptions. So let's say we make an arc over here. 3-point arc will be good. We'll start the arc from here and we'll move it up till a certain point. Then I'll make another arc starting from here, going downwards. We'll draw another arc from here, again going downwards. We'll trim all the extra lines. We'll now make another arc to make it look even better. We'll trim this one, erase this. Now we will fillet the edges like these two lines. We'll join it. Now, using press pull command and seeing it in auto, we'll decide a suitable height, that is 5. I'll use fillet command to give the finishing touches. Suppose I enter a radius of 2 or 1. And select all the edges, the center, and we'll do the same for rest of the figure. We'll fillet all the edges to make it look aesthetically good. Now once we are done with this, next step will be to draw a line at the middle of this. Turn on auto, draw a line. This line will be the axis about which I want to polar array this part. I will look at this part from this view. Select this view as XY. Now go to polar, select this part and then click on this axis. So what I did is, if you want to make a polar array, you have to select the axis along Z axis. So now I will close the array. After this, next step will be to copy another part like this and move it up to 100 units. After this, we will draw a line starting from center of this to this model. Now move the line upwards using move command to a certain height, like this. Now I will use sweep command, but before that I will hide one of the models. Right click, isolate, hide object. Now draw the rectangular cross section. Rectangular cross section will be around 10, 5. 10, 5. Now move this cross section to this point. Will now use sweep command, sweep this cross section over this path. I want it to be the other way. I will rotate the cross section. Just rotate it. Now sweep again, and it is good now. This is what I wanted. Now the last step will be to make glass on top of this. For that I will draw the boundaries of the glass. Suppose it is 20 units ahead of the table. Now move around 30 units, then 140 units, and again 20 units. Press escape. Now I will move from this point, draw another vertical line downwards, use trim command to trim off the edges. Now I will use mirror command, select the lines that you want to mirror, press enter. Now about this axis, we keep the source. Now I will draw a circle or arc, start, center, end type of arc. I will select this as a center, and then I will move anti-clockwise to draw the arc. For the other part I will do the same. We'll move anti-clockwise till this point. Now trim the excess lines or delete the lines that are not needed. I think there is some problem in the intersections, so I will delete the excess lines. Now that I have the curves, join these lines. So now we have the area. We can select the lines. First of all, I will join all the lines. Type J, enter. Select all the lines to make it one polyline or one spline. Press enter. Now I will extrude it up to around the thickness of the glass, which is 1.5 units. The next step should be to look at in front view. Now move, select it, click somewhere. Suppose ortho is on. Make sure you are in XY plane. If you are not in XY plane, place XY plane in this view. Now the table is ready. So after this, we'll just render it. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Allah Hafiz.